Good morning, children. I am your English teacher. I hope you are all safe and fine. In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English Term 2, Unit 1, Supplementary Reader, The Two Pigeons, Part 2. Already we have seen in this last video, in Part 1, we can recap the story now in Part 1. Yes, the two pigeons were friends. The cock pigeon was caught by the hunter. The hen pigeon was waiting for her friend. So till that we have seen that Part 1. Let us continue the story. Yes, it started to rain heavily. Just then the hen pigeon saw a bird coming near the tree. In the cage, he had the cock pigeon. It was unconscious. Fear gripped the hen pigeon. Was it her friend? The bird catcher neared the tree. He had to hide, but she also wanted to have a closer look to see if it was her friend. She flew down to the lowest branch. Oh no, it is him. What shall I do now? I have to help my friend, worried the hen pigeon. The sky thundered and the bird catcher took cover under her tree. Looks like I have to wait till the rain stops, said the bird catcher. So in this paragraph, it was started rain heavily. The hen pigeon saw a bird catcher was coming closer to the tree. He had a cage. In that, he had a cock pigeon. It was unconscious. The hen pigeon was gripped with fear. He thought whether it was her friend. The bird catcher neared the tree. He wanted to hide, or else what will happen? Yes, the bird catcher was catch the hen pigeon also, isn't it? Yes. So he wanted to hide himself and he wanted to see whether is it a friend or not. It flew down to the lowest branch and saw that was her friend. It thought itself, what shall I do now? I want to help my friend. And worried. The sky thundered and the bird catcher stayed under the tree. And he thought himself, the bird catcher thought himself, I have to wait here till the rain stops. So in this paragraph, so the bird catcher having that cock pigeon inside the cage. And then soon it stopped raining. The bird catcher wanted to leave, but it was too dark and late in the night. I will camp here for the night and leave in the morning, he thought. It was a wet and cold night and he wanted to start a fire to keep himself warm. He could not find any dry twigs. The pigeon in the cage woke up and tried to fly only for his wings to hit the cage. So what happened? The rain was stopped. The bird catcher wanted to leave from the place, but it was too dark. So he decided to stay in that night there and leave in the morning. The place was wet and cold. Wet and cold means, how do you feel? You feel very chillness, isn't it? Yes. So at the time, what will you do? Yes, we want to keep ourselves warm. So we want to start a fire. So he also wanted to start a fire, but he couldn't to find any twigs. Twig means a small sticks. The pigeon in the cage woke up and tried to fly with its wings and hit the cage. So next paragraph, the hen pigeon started to cry. Her friend said, do not feel sad, dear. We have a guest now. The man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help. The pigeon flew from the tree in search of dry twigs. She got 2 or 3 twigs at the time and made a big heap of dry twigs. She got flintstones for the bird catcher to start the fire. The bird catcher was surprised by the hen pigeon. He made fire. You are my guest. I have no food to give you. I will jump into this fire so that you can eat me. The bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the pigeon. He caught the hen pigeon and stopped her from jumping into the fire. Oh, kind bird, what do you want? I will help You can any way I can, said the bird catcher. Please set my friend free. My life will be meaningless without him, replied the pigeon. So the cock pigeon was sitting caged. By seeing that, the hen pigeon started to cry. The cock pigeon said that, dear friend, don't feel sad now. We have a guest now. The man is shivering and feeling so hungry. He needs your help. Even though he was in critical situation, that cock pigeon, so he wanted to take care for that guest. The pigeon flew from the tree and searched for dry twigs. After collecting more dry twigs, she got flintstones. Flintstone means which is used to make fire. So the bird catcher made fire. The hen pigeon said that, you are my guest. I have no food to give you because you are feeling so hungry. So I will jump into the fire. You can eat me. The bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the pigeon. Then the bird catcher stopped the pigeon and asked, what do you want? You tell me, however I can help you. I will help you. The pigeon said that, please leave my friend. Without him, my life is meaningless. So see the hospitality of the pigeon. It was ready to sacrifice his life. Like that, we have to treat our guest with smiling face. So the cock pigeon was in critical situation, but it wanted to take care for that guest. And then last paragraph, what happened to the cock pigeon? See that. He opened the cage and set the pigeon free. I was cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird again, said the bird catcher. He stayed the night there. In the morning, the pigeons got him nuts, fruits, and seeds to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeon and walked away. So what happened? The bird catcher opened the cage and left the cock pigeon, and he got himself that how he was cruel and selfish, and he said that hereafter I will never trap any bird again. He stayed night there, and in the next morning the pigeon brought him some nuts, fruits, and seeds to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeon and walked away. So, children, we have to welcome our guests with smiling face and treat them in a good way. I hope you are all understood this story. You also follow the same. Okay, ma? Yes. Thank you, children.